Okay, guys, this is a quick update. So I did remove the blue dreams and put it into the rack. So yeah, don't do this. This entire thing was not correct. There are still some blue baby shrimp in here. So what I'm gonna have to do is once they grow up a little bit more, I'm gonna have to actually manually remove them from this tank. But I did get all the adult blue shrimp. I'm pretty sure. And I think like three of them were still pregnant. Or buried. So yeah, so basically I'll clean this up a little bit later, or we'll see how it kind of shapes up by itself. Um, Kind of like a yin yang kind of style going on here. But yeah, so this is just one scape now, and this is the shrimp rack that I'm setting up. So basically, just to give a quick overview, two air pumps driving a small sponge filters using a 90-degree elbow, so it's kind of circulating water around slowly. There are some baby shrimp in here, and let's just take a look inside real quick. So it's hard to see, but it's just I tied moss onto so the whole thing I did before with the foam bottom that didn't work because it was floating. So I could have just used in retrospect, I just used rocks to keep it down. But anyway, I did it this way. So it's like this, and there's blue shrimp in there now. Hopefully they'll grow up. There's some baby shrimp in there also. So I'm hoping the new babies obviously get spawned here. Um, in 2 months or so, 1 month or so. Hopefully there'll be a whole bunch of blue shrimp in here. And yeah, I think that's it for the update. So this rack is finished right now, or the first rack is finished. I need to get a timer for it so that obviously I don't manually turn it on and off. It's pretty cheap to do that. Let me remove that hefty high-rise sticker too. Yeah, it looks okay, not too bad. Vegetation is a little bit sparse. I populated the so I originally just wanted to do Christmas moss, but I didn't have enough trimmings from the other tank to do it. So I have Christmas moss on the forefront and then guppy grass behind. So hopefully that stuff grows in, and then I can sell that. So yeah, so that's the update for now. Um, Also, this lid doesn't close completely because it's bowing out, so I need to fix that either with like a clip here, right, and then a clip in the back. And I'm just gonna make like a couple holes here just to drop food in. Now the whole thing is that it's an ecosystem, not really supposed to disturb it or anything like that. Um, but for now, I'll just open up the lid and feed the shrimp. Yeah, so that's the update. Also got the bike together, even though I am going to just sell it. But yeah, it's fun to ride again. So yeah, so that's up. Also to cycle the tank, I use one of the filters from the other tank, and to cycle it. So and obviously their plants are cycled, and there's a lot of water in here too, and there's not a lot of shrimp. There's like about maybe 10 or 11 shrimp, maybe 12 shrimp in there, and also some of the babies. Yeah, I didn't get all the babies. That's gonna be a pain in the ass later too. I didn't think there was actually babies, but they were there were babies. They were on that foam wall, so it obviously it's difficult to see blue babies on a black surface. So that's why it was so bad. But I'll keep an eye out for them if I see like a bigger. Once they grow up a little bit, they're pretty small at that point. Look at all these buried females at the moment. This tank is gonna explode. It'll literally explode with red Bloody Mary shrimp. So probably gonna have to sell a couple of these guys pretty soon because this tank is gonna explode. They're like babies everywhere. There's about at least 100 not 100, but maybe at least 50 babies in here. There's probably like 10 blue dream babies in here, which fortunately I'm gonna have to get out at some point before they mature. So anyway, that's the update. Talk to you later.